All right, this section 5.1, angles of triangles, is really straightforward. Our chapter 5 is about congruent triangles. For the learning target, I can use the triangle angle sum theorem and the remote interior angles theorem to solve problems. Okay, so let's take a look at the triangle angle sum theorem. Okay, it says that the sum of the measures of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so for any triangle ABC, the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so let's look at an example here. We have this triangle with the angle measures solve for x. Well, I know that the three interior angles, if I add them together, that gives me 180. So I write an equation, x plus 100 plus 32 equals 180. So combine like terms, x equals 100 plus 32. 100 plus 32 is 132 equals 180. Minus 132 from both sides. X equals 48. Okay, so that means this angle measure here is 48 degrees. Again, it's really straightforward. The second one is the exterior angles theorem. Okay, so now the sum of the exterior angles of any triangle is always 360 degrees. Okay, so this exterior angles we get when we extend the sides of the triangle. So here, this is an exterior angle, this is an exterior angle right here, and this is an exterior angle here. Okay, in this case, they all happen to be the same measure, because if this is 60 degrees, right, this angle here has to be 120. This is 60 degrees, that means this is 120 because they form a linear pair. If this is 60, this is 120, okay? They form a linear pair. Okay, so now find the sum of the exterior angles. Here we have 120 plus 120 plus 120, and that equals to 360 degrees. Okay, so the same thing we're gonna do here on this side. Now I have, this angle is 100, and this is the exterior angle for that one, and that's gonna be 180 minus 100, which is 80 degrees. Okay, this one right here, okay, we have to do 180 minus 34, so 180 minus 34, it gives us 146. Okay, and this one here we have 46, so it's 180 minus 46, that gives me 134. So that means this angle is 134 degrees. And when we add them together, we know we know from the theorem, right, that it's going to be the sum is going to be 360. So 134 plus 146 plus 80 equals 360 degrees. Okay, so the last theorem is the remote interior angles sum theorem. Okay, so first thing I'm going to identify here the remote interior angles. So the remote interior angles, okay, are the angles that do not touch the exterior angle, right? So here's our exterior angle right here, this angle 1, okay? And the angles that don't touch is angle B and angle A, okay? So those are our remote interior angles. Remote interior angles. Okay, and then this one here, the angle 1 is our exterior angle. Okay, so what the theorem says is that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the two remote interior angles. So here, if I do this, the measure of angle 1 is going to be equal to the measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B. Let's see how to solve a problem involving the remote interior angle sum theorem. So here I have this triangle. This is my exterior angle. Okay, these are my remote interior angles. So I know that x is going to be equal to 50 plus 100. Okay, so x equals 150. Next, again, 2x plus 4 is my exterior angle. X and 70, right, are my remote interior angles, sorry. So we're going to do 2x plus 4 equals x plus 70. We solve that. We minus x on both sides. We have 2x minus x is x plus 4 equals, x is cancel out, 70 minus 4 on both sides. We get x equals 66.